Hey guys, welcome to Raw Customs. I'm your host, Patrick Rapolo, and on this episode, I'm going to be showing you how I made custom handle inserts for my Jeep JK. Now, the product I actually used on this is called Sintra. It's basically a type of PVC. What I actually have is about a 1/4 inch sheet. Now, it is durable because the sheet I'm used to make these out of has been sitting out in the sun against the wall in the sun, rain, and all the elements, and it has held up fine. So all I did was clean it up and start to build my handles. Now, a few good things about it, like I said, number one, it's a durable product. Other than that, you can actually heat it up with a heat gun and bend it and mold it, and once it cools, it's going to hold its shape and remain rigid on here. This is just a couple of pieces sample pieces that I was actually working on or prototyping before I actually got the handle right where it's going to fit properly. Well, alright guys, check out the video. Hopefully it gives you some ideas. Here's how I did it.
I started out in Inkscape and designed a cutout for my handle insert, and then imported the Raw Customs logo and placed it in the center. Next, I created a hexagon shape, sized and positioned it, and then duplicated it. This process was repeated to get a honeycomb look. Once I was happy with my design, it was sent to the laser cutter. First, the image was applied using the raster setting, and then cut out and vectored. The Jeep handles are curved and concave in, so the next step was to take the piece to the belt sander and bevel the back edge all the way around so that it would fit inside the handle. A heat gun was used to heat the insert until it was pliable and could bend very easily. While the piece was still hot, it was pressed into the handle to mold the shape. Once the insert matched the shape of the handle, it was held in place until it cooled. Once cooled, the piece will hold its shape. Once all the inserts were made, they were cleaned and prepped for paint. They were given 3 coats of yellow paint to match the Jeep, and then followed up with 2 coats of clear. To mount the inserts, I used 3M Super Strength molding tape. The tape was ran across the beveled edges on the back side. To mount the insert, I pulled back the molding liner back around 1 inch. Then press the insert into the handle starting at the front. Once the insert was in place, I removed the rest of the liner, and then the insert pressed firmly into place.